Hi TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and let's have a look at the job for today then. Right, so we've got a brown sofa here, and if you have a look, there's a little bit of a patina underneath. Can you see those dots there, look? Now these are put on when the leather's first painted. I think it's done by a CNC machine, which is obviously difficult to replicate. So the way around this is, what we tend to do is we use a wash rather than a paint. So it's thin enough to show what's underneath, but also it should cover the damage. And this will be indicated by the second video. So I'll take the second video as soon as we're finished, and you can see. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs. All the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk, and to book us 07904 640 389. After video coming soon, folks. Bye for now. Hey TikTokers, welcome back. It's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we've finished this job now, and let's have a look. So you can see here where the dots were, look. Yeah, we've lightly sprayed this down, okay, and you can have a look down here where the damage was. Now you can see, look, now that's all absolutely perfect and blends in nicely with the back as well, look. So this is where basically you need a little bit of skill to do the colour restoration. I don't know whether you remember a thing called Bullseye on the television years ago, but keep out the black in the red. Nothing in this game for two in a bed. Basically, that's what we follow. So you know, to keep these looking pristine, as I said, a nice wash on there rather than just painting it, and everything else underneath will show through and give a nice lacklustre finish. Okay, so it looks beautiful now. Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk, and if you need to book us, 07904 640 389. Bye for now, folks. See you later.